are there chances of the opponent or big competitors are always there? When we talk about pharmaceutical industries, we know there are huge competitors in the market. Is there a possibility that our patent, or if I file a patent, it is rejected just on the basis of there exists some glitch in the system or corruption in the system?
No, not at all. Means I tell you, the scenario is that this patent system is so foolproof that there is zero chances of this kind of. I will say that there is a zero chances, because see, the scenario is that you have a written proof, you have filed a patent. Such a transparent system is there. Each and every communication with the patent office is available for examination on patent site to anybody. Means if I get a number and if I want to examine what is a series of actions or applications which are filed by the applicant, everything is available on the website. So you can just visit the website and you can see the documents. Next thing is that there are oppositions, pre-grant and post-grant oppositions are there. Two strong opposition systems are there. And in such scenario, with all the what we can say, the transparency, there is zero chances that there is any glitch in the system or there is any what we can say, corruption and all that thing. Zero chances.